In the previous videos of the session, we got various information about a class, like information about fields, information about methods, information about annotations, etc. Can we get the information about the module corresponding to a class? We know that the Java 9 onwards, the Java introduced module system. So by using the reflection API, can we get the information about module of a class? Yes, we can get that. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 17 of Java and Web, Reflection API in Java. In this video, we will use the reflection API to get module information of a class. The method getModule method of the class java.lang.class returns module type. The module getModule of java.lang.class is a public method which returns module type of the caller class. And the class file corresponding to the module.class is present in java.lang package. Before we continue in this video, I request you to watch the first few videos of the session 8 of Java and Web, modular programming in Java 9. The link of the session 8 is given in the video description, or you can click on the I button to go on that playlist. Here in the directory src, we have source codes for two modules, myModule A and myModule B. In the module myModule A, we have the package directory mypake, which contains the Java file m1.java. And this is the module descriptor of the module myModule A, moduleinfo.java. Then we have the source directory of the module myModule B. The source directory of the module myModule B contains the package directory mypacb, which contains the Java file m2.java. And this moduleinfo.java file is the module descriptor of the module myModule B. Let's look at the two module descriptors of the module myModule A and the module myModule B. The module myModule B exports the package mypacb, and the module myModule A requires the module myModule B. So the classes of the module myModule A can use a public class of the package mypacb because the package mypacb is exported by the module myModule B. And the module myModule A is reading the module myModule B. So all the public classes of the package mypacb will be available to the module myModule A. Now come to two Java files, m2.java and m1.java. The package statement of m2.java is package mypacb. So all the classes of Java file m2.java will belong to the package mypacb. There is only one class in m2.java and that is public class m2. In the public class m2, we have a public method abcd which prints myModule2, mypack2, m2. Then we have m1.java. The package information of m1.java is package mypake. m1.java imports the class m2 from the package mypacb, and mypacb itself belongs to the module myModule B. Then in m1.java, we have the public class m1 which contains the method main. Inside the method main, we are creating an object of type m2. After creating an object of type m2, we are calling the method getClass by using the reference variable m of type m2. So the reference of an object of type class.class which stores the information about the class m2 will be stored into the reference variable c of type class. Then after we are calling the method getModule by using the reference variable c. The module getModule returns the reference of the module type of the class m2, and that reference will be stored into the reference variable mod of type module. Finally, we are printing the reference variable mod. So by using the command prompt on Windows or terminal on Ubuntu, if being on the desktop as our current directory, so when we compile this module source code, it will create a new directory out. The directory structure of the directory out will be same as the directory src. Just all the Java files have been converted into the class files. We already have discussed the format of javac and java command in the session 8 of Java and Web. Then we have executed our compiled module code which prints module myModule B. Actually, it's printing the value of the reference variable mod. The module information is getting printed here. Let's try this code practically. On the desktop, you can see here we have the directory src whose structure is same as we have seen in the slide. Let's compile the directory src, java c -- module source path src dout and etc. things. The code compiles fine. Now run it. It runs fine and printing module myModule B. So this is how we got the module information of a class. Let's open m1.java and let's change somewhat in the code. Let's open m1.java, vi m1.java and create an object of type m1 instead of m2. create an object of type M1. Now try to compile this code. Go on the directory as the current directory of the terminal. Compile the source code. First compile the source code. It compiles fine. Now run it. It runs fine, and at this time it's printing the module information of the class M1 instead of M2. After getting the reference of the module, we have many more methods to call in the class java.lang.Module. We know that after getting the reference of any class, we can call various methods of that class. That's how we have various methods present in the class module, which can be called to get further information about the module. And one of the method among them is getName method. GetName is a public method of the class module which returns the name of the module as a string. And the getName method returns null if caller is an unnamed module. If we call the method getName by using a reference of type unnamed module, then the getName method will return null. We already have discussed about unnamed module in the session 8 of Java and Web. So here in our code, after getting the reference of the module type, we can use that reference to call the method getName of the class module. That will return the module name of the class. Let me try this code practically. Go in the directory pack1 and clear the screen. Open m1.java and just call here the method getName by using the reference variable mod of type module, mod.getName. Try to compile this code. Go to the directory desktop. In Linux, by using cd dash, this is the minus sign. You can switch between two directories. Does not matter those directories have parent-child relationship or not. By using cd dash, you can go to the previous directory where you were working before the current directory. So being on the desktop, let me compile the code. It compiles fine. Now run it. It runs fine. And you can see here the getName methods on the module reference prints the name of the module, that is my module A. We have many more methods present in module.class, and all those methods are subject of a separate session of Java and Web using module APIs. We will discuss about module API in the separate session of Java and Web. Here in this session I am just showing that by using the reflection API we can have information about a module. We will discuss all these methods in the separate session of Java and Web module API in Java. But before that, let me show you just one method, getPackages. Let me show you this method. Go to the directory mypack.a and open m1.java. Call here the method getPackages. getPackages. Try to compile this code. First switch to the desktop directory. Now compile this code. It compiles fine. Now run it. It runs fine, and you can see here in between opening and closing square bracket we have name of the package. If there were more than one packages in the module my module A, you could see here names of more packages. So that's how we will use all these methods in the module API session of Java and Web. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook, and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.